If you wish to create a community post with poll images on your iPad in 2026, I show you the complete process. First, open the App Store and update the YouTube app. It's very must. Then open the YouTube app and make sure you switch to the right account. Then click the plus and post. Here you can have three different options. This is image poll and this is images option. You can add images up to 10, and this is some question and answer type thing. So you can see that. So we need the poll option. So I just click the first one and here type the option 1. I just type test 1 and test 2. You can add up to 4 like this and click the image option and select the image. So it's added. Same goes here. Select the image. Like that you can add up to 4 images. Okay, it's all selected. Now just type a caption like. So I just type something like that and post. It's done. View. Here you can see. Your viewers can choose the poll option. This is how you need to do. The very must thing is you need to update the YouTube app. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, you need to watch this playlist.